Ever wondered why some people seem to crack the wealth code while the rest of us are left with textbooks and empty wallets? Here's the real shocker. The secrets to building wealth aren't taught in any classroom, whether you're in Mumbai, New York, London, or Sydney. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the wealth-building truths your teachers never told you. Ready to learn what the system keeps hidden? Let's get started. Secret 1. The real difference between assets and liabilities. Schools teach you how to solve for X, but not how to make your money work for you. Assets put money in your pocket. Think stocks, real estate, or even a side business. Liabilities? They take money out, like car loans, credit cards, or that new iPhone on EMI. Most people confuse the two and end up broke. Want to build wealth? Start stacking assets, not liabilities. Secret 2. Compound interest is your best friend or worst enemy. Here's the magic they never mention: compound interest. Invest rupees $1,000 or $100 today. Let it grow at 10% a year, and in 30 years, it's worth more than 17 times your original amount. But compound interest works against you with debt. Credit card companies know this. Now you do too. Action step. Begin investing early, even small amounts. Secret 3. Multiple streams of income. No billionaire relies on just one paycheck. Schools teach you to get a job. The wealthy build multiple income streams. Investments, side hustles, real estate, royalties, digital businesses. If you want financial freedom, never depend on a single source. Did you know 67% of millionaires have at least 3 sources of income? Drop a fire icon in the comments if you're ready to start your second stream. Secret 4. The power of financial literacy. You're taught Shakespeare, not how to file taxes or invest in mutual funds. Learning about money is your responsibility. Read books, watch channels like this, and never stop upgrading your financial IQ. Pro tip: start with Rich Dad, Poor Dad or The Psychology of Money. These are global favorites. If you're finding these secrets eye-opening, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff financial wisdom. Your future self will thank you. Secret 5. Mindset matters more than math. Wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about how you think. The rich see opportunities, not obstacles. Stop saying, "I can't afford it." Start asking, "How can I afford it?" This tiny shift? It's the difference between surviving and thriving. Secret 6. Taxes, the legal way to keep more of your money. Nobody teaches you this, but the wealthy use tax laws to their advantage, legally. Learn about tax-saving investments, retirement accounts, and deductions in your country. A little knowledge here can save you lakhs or thousands every year, whether you're in India, the US, UK, or Australia. Secret 7. Your network is your net worth. Connections open doors money can't. Surround yourself with people who are financially savvy, ambitious, and positive. Join communities, attend webinars, and never stop networking. Ready to take control of your financial future? Here's your challenge. Pick one secret from today's video and start applying it this week. Comment below which one you'll start with. Let's build wealth together, one step at a time. Don't forget to subscribe to Ever Wealthy for more practical global financial wisdom. Share this video with a friend, because real wealth grows when you help others grow too. Stay curious, stay wealthy. See you in the next one.